Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the first day of California vlogs.
California, here we come, right back where we started from. California, California. Here we come.
Today, I'm heading out to California with Madre, Fadre, and we're also bringing Dana with us as well, or Ginge, as I'm sure you know her as. And yeah, I'm super excited. You guys know California is pretty much like my favorite place in the world, so the fact that I get to go there and introduce it to Dana, I'm so excited. It's her first time being in California, so I just can't wait. So right now we are just at home waiting for Ginge to come and get dropped off, and then we're all gonna get in the car and head to the airport. It's gonna be such a good trip. So many amazing memories to come. I just can't wait. Look who's around! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at that outfit, super styling, you know.
Both wearing the capri leggings.
Yep. Is it going?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Shirt, Gilmore Girls.
Cute.
And then my Converse. These ones make me look semi-tan.
So cute. I haven't seen those Converse before.
Yeah, I got them for work because we had an event where to wear like colorful Converse.
Oh, I remember that. I remember that.
So,
Cute.
we are en route to the airport. Super excited. My bag just fell. Sorry, Dana. There we go. All right.
So excited. So excited.
So, we've gone through the baggage area. Here's Madre. We're very, very excited.
Waiting for Padre.
Waiting. Look how tan you look beside me.
I know.
Mom, look at this.
I know. I know. On the beach.
Also like blending in with the sand. Actually, no, it's not a white sand beach. You'll be better looking at the sand. Anyway, either way.
It'll wear off in a few days.
Yeah. Well. Anyway, talk to you soon. You Faj. You haven't been on the vlog yet. How's life, man? You excited?
Very good.
Excited? The shirt? Looking good, man? Oh yeah. Got that croissant though?
Yeah.
Yeah. We got a scone, Starbucks, and we got this nice peach tea lemonade. I'm into it. That water bottle though, man.
It's pH 8.4.
Nerd.
That's basic.
Hey. We're in the Phoenix airport right now, just getting boarded. Yep, down to connecting flight.
They're putting on the high maintenance passengers.
Which really should be us, but you know. Anyway, then we're going right to Orange County. All right, man, we have arrived.
So excited.
So excited. Maj, are you excited?
Very excited. We're in Cali.
Yeah. Oh my god. What about you, Dad, huh? Yeah? Okay. You know, you're in a hot place when...
It happens in Canada too.
This is a blotting sheet, by the way. Just letting you know.
Do you have my black bag?
Yeah.
Current feels.
Get my
Right here.
sunglasses.
Yeah, right here.
Y'all, we have arrived at the VRBO we are renting, and it is beautiful. Dana's already Snapchatted some hot men right across the street. Yep, it's pretty exciting. Oh my god, I feel like a truck ran over my face. You know when you look at yourself and you're just like, did I look like that the entire time? That's how I feel right now. Especially with the hot men across the way, you know? But yeah, I'll do a tour, but the guy is just doing some work around here. I guess he's checking some things, or maybe, I'm not really sure, but I'll do a big tour once he goes, because I don't want to like you know, weird him out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
I feel like you could be weirded out.
Yeah, I feel like that. Anyway, we'll talk to you soon, but just letting you know, this place is amazing. Okay, so we're gonna head down to Newport Beach, just do a little walk on the beach, and then we're gonna come back here and get ready for dinner. Yeah, are you ready, man?
I'm ready.
She's ready. All right, let's go. Whoa, dang. Oh, little seashells everywhere. All right, y'all, so we're gonna head out to dinner. Just got changed, did a little tiny bit of makeup, nothing cray. Oh, Ginger's back here. I'll show you her outfit. She's wearing a really cute romper, so I gotta show you that. But yeah, we're gonna head out to Bandera, which is a restaurant that my fam and I love going to in Arizona. And they have one here. So we were like, yeah, heck yes, we gotta go. I'll bring you over here to see Dana's outfit. Look at this cute little number.
Thanks, man.
Looks so good.
I put a little bralette under it.
Nice, nice. I'm just feeling so blessed right now, you know what I'm saying? It's just
saying we
great.
have to make the most of every single moment because it's gonna go by really quick.
Yeah. Your hair looks so good, man.
Thanks, man.
This is what I'm wearing. My dress is like super old H&M, and then I have these, again, super old sandals.
Grandma sandals.
Yeah.
I'm wearing grandma
It's
sandals
like
too.
my fave bag from Forever 21. And I bought it with Jasmine.
From Forever 21?
Yeah, right?
It looks so expensive.
I know. I'm like, dang, it looks hip. I'm into it.
I love these flowers. Oh my gosh. Touch AF canceled. Automatic focus.
Vegetarians, look away. Bam. Hey Fudge, you're looking pretty snazzy with those glasses, man.
Looking really snazzy.
So peeps, we have returned, we are back. That meal was amazing.
So good. You filmed it, right?
Good. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And then we went to Pavilions, which is like pretty much Safeway. And we got some food. And now we're going to do a tour that we promised of this little condo. So yeah, Dana's gonna be like the Wheel of Fortune woman, like showing things off, and I'll tell you what things are.
You'll be the
from.
narrator.
Exactly. So let's start out from the front door. Here we have the beautiful glass front door.
Instagram worthy.
Sorry, it's not letting me focus on your face. There we go. And then, we'll follow Dana in here. We have the living area. Oh my god. Looks like you're in a ballet show or something.
It is really ugly.
It is. It's like our sandy feet bin, you know what I'm saying, from the beach.
Super classy.
But, yes. And there is a deck out there as well, but it's kind of useless to see it in the dark as well. Oh my god. Queen! It's like dance photos.
You have to show this.
This massive TV.
Massive TV and gas fireplace.
Yep. Alright.
And continuing on into the kitchen.
Mmm.
Granite or marble. I think it's marble countertops. With a 6-burner stove.
It's like we're trying to sell this house.
Sorry.
No, keep going. We have a fridge over here. You know, it's a very nice kitchen.
It's a very like love it or list it kind of kitchen. Not big enough, but you know what I mean.
Mm-hmm.
Add an island in, it would be very love it or list it.
Alright.
Now for the most amazing out of the entire house, this sink with this faucet. Is that not majestic? Next we have the very artistic fountain. That does not work.
Yeah, unfortunately it doesn't work.
You know, still looks
You know, it still looks cool. Some fake plants, you know.
And let's head on up to the next level.
All right. Ooh, nice art.
Beautiful artwork.
Almost fell over here. Oh, good.
And into Maggie's humble abode. I don't know what it is.
So yeah, we have nice little bed area. Actually, I'll step out here.
That little cute picture.
On the US. And then we also have a deck out here too, which we'll show you tomorrow when we have our coffees and stuff. And then we have a walk-in closet.
No, that's a patio.
Bless. Bless. Right?
Beautiful. And then into the beautiful Jack and Jill bathroom.
Yes.
That is a little destroyed because we have entered our stuff. And
Ah, well, it was just like different foldings of towels. You can see a little,
yeah.
you know.
Still cute. Beautiful shower with the rain shower head, nice backdrop. Then we have this toilet with this interesting flushing device.
Let me just do a close-up. What even is that? Does anybody know? Let us know in the comments if you do.
There is a power button on it.
It's just very weird. I somehow think it's like a self-cleaning toilet because I think that's needed in the world.
Then we come into my bedroom.
Beautiful.
With the beautiful jellyfish.
Yeah. Yeah.
And another screen TV.
And where does your window go out to? Do you even look at that?
Goes to the sexy boys.
Are you kidding me? Yeah.
So there's a frat house across from this place.
Yeah.
Which is the main attraction. And then I have just a closet.
On that side. Yeah, Ginger let me have the nice room, which I was very, very, you know.
We can kind of mesh.
Exactly. Yeah.
All right. And now into the next level. Beautiful artwork. And what is in here? Is this linen? Linen. Beach towels.
Mm.
And built-in laundry.
Oh, this is just like beautiful. You know what I'm saying? This is goals right here.
Yeah. This is so Love It or List It. Can't you imagine Todd from Love It or List It Vancouver like touring this house?
Man, I had to confess to you, I've never watched Love It or List It. She is furious.
Are you serious?
I am serious. I've never seen it.
Do you know who like Jillian Harris is?
I've heard her name before.
You've never seen it.
I've never seen it. Anyway, after that bomb was dropped.
The next piece of artwork.
There we go.
And we enter into the grand master bedroom. So there's actually, what I forgot to mention, there is a deck here. It includes a rooftop view of the beach and a hot tub.
Bomb!
Now into the grand master bedroom.
Oh my god.
With the beautiful king size bed.
Who are you channeling right now? You're like channeling your alter ego or something.
Todd from Love It or List It.
Okay.
If you watched it, you would understand.
Oh yeah, we haven't been in here yet. Whoa. Dang.
What is this? Is that the faucet?
I think so.
Turn it on.
I'm kind of...
Okay.
How does that fill the tub though? Like, wouldn't that take forever to fill the tub?
Probably.
Questions.
I rarely turn it though, so if you put on full blast, it would probably like shoot. Anywho, another rain shower head with another shower head over there. A
Oh.
body shower. And then we have a water closet.
A water closet? I've never heard of it. That's so, wow, that's a
If you
nice...
watched Love It or List It, you would understand.
Okay, I get it, I get it.
And then we have a beautiful grand double faucet vanity.
Yes.
And continuing into the grand master closet.
This is literally like the size of half of my room at home. Do you know what I'm saying?
Same.
There we go. We're here.
This could be the thumbnail.
Yeah. It should be. Yeah, that's it.
And folks, that finishes our grand house tour.
Anyway, that's it. Okay, y'all. So, we have face masks on now.
Same one.
We both use the Origins Clear Improvement. We're both really big fans of this because it just gets all the crap out of your pores. And you know, after you've been on a plane, you just need to refresh things a little bit, right? Oh my gosh. We are exhausted.
It's nighttime.
It's almost midnight.
We've been up for like a long time.
I got up at 5:30 today. What time did you get up?
I got up at 5:50.
Dang.
And I had to drive to your house.
I know. I'm not a fast mover in the morning. We've established this, okay? We're gonna head to bed. Thanks for watching the first vlog. I'm super excited for tomorrow. We've got some great things to come. So we'll see you guys tomorrow for California Day 2. Good night!